Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all having an amazing day. So guys, I've already unboxed this Mifa Perfect 20+3 gel polish set, and I've done this live with Raven on YouTube. So I will leave a link to this video because we unboxed it on Raven's channel, so it will be there. So today I'm gonna do a design, and guys, my nail sister LK Priya K's Nails sent me these decals in a sister mail, and do you see that rose there, the Beauty and the Beast one? That's what I want to use today. So with that, I want to also just do this sort of stained glass look. Now this should be kind of transparent, so we're going to find out what I have in mind. So this kit had everything I needed, and when I unboxed it with Raven, I was so amazed. So today I'm going to be focusing on the jelly colors. So these are the colors I have taken out. These are the 5 colors that we're going to use. And did I get the black? Forgot to get out the black. Yes. Okay, so I have some tips already down. We're going to use these tips, and just checking to see. Jessie hair. Yes. It's blonde. It's Jessie's, no. Okay, so I'm going to first of all put some base coat down on these nails. I'm going to cure for just 30 seconds. So I did not use the base. I don't think I used the base coat when we actually unboxed these polishes. Now I'm not doing like a heavy base coat application. I just want it just a thin layer, because I need to put some things on the nail before we start. Just gonna put some of these flakes down on the nail, and I'm thinking for my rose I want one on this side, one on this side, so I will just focus on putting those flakes. So I didn't even go with the other one because I just want it to show behind. So now I'm going to just put some matte top coat on this, and I'm going to cure it for 60, a full 60. So for this design, these roses, I'm inspired by the roses, and it's very, what's the word? You know, Beauty and the Beast. Sorry, I was having a real mare. You know, I think I already know that I'm not going to keep them matte. I really do already know that I want it glossy. Yeah, I already know I want it glossy. So that's what I'm going to do. Because even though, you know, the matte is beautiful, but I don't know. I think it's going to be glossy that wins for me today. So I'm using the black, and I put a little bit of base coat in there. So if it's looking a little sheer, it's literally because of that. Because I put some base coat in there. now I'm not, thinking about this too much, because it's really just because what's really going to, bring this design to life is going to be the, the jelly colours. This is a super freestyle in terms of you probably won't see this design anywhere else, which is fine, but it is like, designs that we've all seen, like very stained glass. I will speed up some of this. So at this point, I have cured everything in matte, and then I thought, you know what? I'm going to go over the black lines with the gold, and the gold is in this kit and it's gorgeous. It actually is the perfect gold that I needed, because you can still see the black underneath. So that's all I did here. I just outlined all the black lines with the gold, didn't really make it opaque, just wanted to have that gold shimmer. And that's all I did there. Now, the two nails that have the decal, it was so translucent that I had to use the baby pink at the back. So I painted the baby pink at the back. So now the color is really, really popping at the front. So I'm thinking, there's something else I still want to do, because I'm not really seeing it. So please stay watching, guys. You're going to see what I do. what would the set be without any bling? But what I am doing is using caviar beads and some rhinestones, and when I opened the caviar beads I had a little accident because there's like 2 million on my table. So tiny. But I'm picking it off the table. So I have already done the other nail. So this is going to take some time. So I will speed up this little nail. Guys, this set. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Oh wow, look at that. And that's with the low light. I think the roses look amazing with the rest of the colors. Oh wow. Okay, so I changed the background and I just made it all white. And I think that's much better. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Me far. Wow. Gorgeous. Thank you again for sending these polishes. I absolutely love them.